Well, you two are a thing, right?
No, just friends.
Seeing the way you two are together.
No, seriously, friends.
But not really. You say the nastiest shit in bed and it's fucking awesome.
I can't imagine a world without you in it.
I can't imagine a world without you in it either. So, what are you gonna do about it?
Probably something stupid.